Hello everyone! Welcome back to FixGenie. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Python on a Lenovo laptop. First, open any web browser on your Lenovo laptop. In the search bar, type Python and press Enter. Now open the official Python website, python.org. Once the website opens, move your mouse over the Downloads menu. You'll automatically see the latest version of Python for Windows. Click the Download Python button. The installer will start downloading. Since the file isn't very large, it should finish quickly. After the download is complete, open the downloaded setup file. When the installation window appears, first check the box that says Add python.exe to path. This step is very important because it allows you to run Python from the command prompt. Next, click Customize Installation. On the next screen, leave the default options selected, including pip and idle, since they're useful for installing Python packages and writing Python programs. Click Next. On the Advanced Options screen, if you're the administrator of your laptop, you can enable Install for all users. Then leave the remaining settings as they are and click Install. Now wait a few moments while Python installs on your Lenovo laptop. Once you see the message that the setup was successful, click Close. Now let's verify that Python was installed correctly. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and open it. Type Python space dash dash version, then press Enter. If you see the installed Python version on the screen, that means Python has been installed successfully. Now let's run our first Python program. Open the Start menu again, search for idle, and open it. In the Python window, type print, open parentheses, quotation mark, hello world, quotation mark, close parentheses. Press Enter. If hello world appears on the screen, congratulations! Your Python installation is working perfectly. You can also save your program by clicking File, then Save As, choosing a location, and saving the file with a .py extension. Outro. That's how you can easily download and install Python on a Lenovo laptop running Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.